Today we have an awesome little project going on. This is an addition that I'm helping to put up, and we are using some of the awesome Ryobi tools in order to get that done. But I wanted to highlight the 21-degree Ryobi HP framing nailer, and a couple things about this. You can do so much with it, but I want to show you what we're using. This is a 2 3/8 inch nail, and they slide in. You can check that out just like this. They have a little clip that holds them there. Push it up. I'll pull this little tab. Just going to pull it back, release it. You're good to go. If you look right here, now this is your power, how far it actually sinks it in there. For the 2 3/8, you really don't need to do that, but this does 2 to I think 3.5. And if we take a quick look, see that right there? I didn't have that much power. Maybe I hit another nail, I don't know. Let's take a look. All right, so it sunk it just fine. If I want to sink it a little bit further, I'm just going to adjust it up. And it sunk it in that much further. But if we want to change these out, it's not a big deal. I'm going to drop them down there. Just going to pull them out, and let's take a look right here. Let's throw these 3 inches in here. Push them forward, pull it back, load it, and I'm going to sink this in. Here we go. Oh, that sinks it just fine. Now this is pressure treated wood right here, and this is 1-inch flooring. But if we want to change this right here, we got the single nail. We can switch that. Then we do a little bit more. And I'm just holding the trigger in and I'm just pushing it down, and that's how that works. But I like to keep it on the single nail because that's just how I work. A couple other things that we used, this right here, this is the Ryobi trim router. This is the new compact one. We got a nice Diablo flush cut right there bit. It's a little bitty bit right there, but you have all the speeds. I just want to show you what that looks like. Look how clean that cut is. Usually if you use a Sawzall or something like that, it's a pretty nasty cut, but if you use these routers, oh, it does great, huh? So I'm not going to do a lot of talking throughout the day. I'm just going to show you clips of actually working and getting this thing up. So I'm just going to cue some music, see how it actually is done. And for all you professionals out there, this is what an amateur looks like using some tools that actually make work happen. So I guess, does that still count? Like, is this still an addition? If I'm not a tradesman, I'm not sure, but I'm sure I'm going to get hounded on the internet with 100,000 of you out there saying the house is not going to stand. But these do awesome. Oh, one other thing. This right here, take a look. You see that? It actually has a shock absorber for the battery to keep that battery going as long as possible. Here we go.